Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. So I was planing this red oak today. Yeah, I'm still planing the red oak. And it came to my attention that we're almost at 3,000 subscribers. Way to go. So if you know anybody who hasn't seen Dusty Splinters channel or Plain Talk, share the video with them. Share the links. Pick a video, share it with them. Put it on your social media. Email it to somebody. Call somebody up on the phone and say, hey, you gotta go check this out. You're a woodworker. You like hand tools. Look what Walter's doing. So, it's all thanks to you. Without you, we wouldn't have the subscribers, we wouldn't have the likes, we wouldn't have the views, and we wouldn't really be building the channel for the future. So I thank you for that support, and I really, truly do appreciate it. You can do anything you want with your free time. You chose to come here and share time with me, and if we could, I'd give you a cup of coffee, a cold glass of iced tea, and we'd sit and chat. But we're doing this video. The other way that you can support the channel is through the direct support the channel link up in the main page. It's on the picture for the channel. And that directs you straight to PayPal. You can make a free-willed contribution through PayPal. Or, if you want, look down in the description box. I'll have the link to the Patreon account. And I want to thank all of you who have donated to the channel and continue to support the channel through Patreon. It's because of you that we will continue to grow this channel. Hopefully one day we'll have multiple cameras rolling, we'll get somebody to do editing, and so on. And finally, if you wanted to write me, you wanted to send a contribution via check or cash or a gift of a tool or wood or anything, that address is also down in the description box. So lastly, all of your likes, your subscriptions, your view counts, and your comments, the comment box, all goes into those silly things called algorithms that YouTube uses to value a channel. And it all contributes. Every single click, every single keystroke, that all contributes. And I thank you. I thank you all very much, and we'll see. We'll see how we can continue to grow this channel, do different things. Like when I did some of the wood turning videos for a while. It doesn't all have to be about hand planes. But this is where we are right now because I'm sort of into hand planes. I know how they work. I know how to fix them. I know how to tweak them, and I want to share that with you. So that's about it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging in there with me. But most important, as always, head out to your shop and go make some shavings. Walter out.